Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we'll look at the best 3D printer for armor. The 3D printer is incredibly versatile for creating amazing and intricate armor pieces. The output from the printer can be used to create costumes, props, and even full-sized replicas of armor. We all know that the quality of 3D printers can make all the difference in the result, so today we'll review some of the best 3D printers for armor. To help you, we've outlined some features you should look for in a 3D printer when creating armor. These individual 3D printers are used in any condition and belong to the best 3D printer for armor category. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is FLSUN V400 Fast 3D Printer. In today's fast-paced world of 3D printing, the FLSUN V400 emerges as the unrivaled champion when it comes to creating armor. With its exceptional speed and groundbreaking features, it takes printing to a new level of efficiency and precision. The FLSUN V400 boasts an incredible moving speed of 600 mm per second, making it 400% faster than industry standards. This means it can complete prints in a fraction of the time, saving you a remarkable 85% of printing time. Its large printing size of 10.2 inches L x 10.2 inches W x 13 inches H provides ample space to bring your armor designs to life. Featuring a direct extruder with a special extrusion force of 70 N, this printer is built for high-temperature printing up to 300 degrees Celsius. The bimetal structure of the throat guarantees optimal performance and reliability. The FLSUN V400 is designed for convenience and enjoyment. Its 7-inch wide-angle IPS screen and pre-installed full clipper firmware make it plug-and-play, requiring no additional configuration. Get ready to unlock your creativity with this exceptional 3D printer and create stunning armor pieces with unmatched speed and precision. So if you want the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box. Number 2 is FlashForge 3D Printer. Attention armor enthusiasts and creators! Introducing the top choice for your 3D printing needs, the Finder 3 by FlashForge. This state-of-the-art printer combines the classic appeal of Finder 2.0 with cutting-edge features and an integrated structure design. Unpack, and you're ready to go with no assembly required, thanks to its user-friendly setup. The Finder 3 boasts a dual platform option to cater to individual needs. The glass platform ensures strong adhesion, preventing the warping of your printed models. Alternatively, the PEI magnetic steel plate platform with a gold PEI plate and anti-warping edge guarantees durability. Equipped with intelligent sensor technology, this printer goes above and beyond. It features power loss recovery, which saves your progress during unexpected outages, allowing you to resume printing seamlessly. Filament runout detection ensures uninterrupted printing. When the filament is depleted or breaks, the Finder 3 sounds an alarm, pauses printing, and resumes once the filament is replenished. With its direct drive extruder and a heating temperature of up to 260 degrees Celsius, the Finder 3 supports a wide range of filaments, including ABS, HIPS, PETG, PET Pro, TPU95A flexible filament, and third-party options. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase it. Number 3 is LG Longer LK5 Pro 3D Printer. If you're looking for the best 3D printer to create armor, the LG Longer LK5 Pro is an exceptional choice. Its upgraded dual blower kit ensures quick filament cooling after extrusion, preventing deformation or wire drawing issues commonly faced during printing. This feature guarantees better print quality and accuracy. Its 90% pre-assembled build enhances the printer's stability with a generous size of 300 by 300 by 400 millimeters. Reinforced diagonal rods form a stable triangular structure, effectively minimizing vibrations and delivering more reliable and precise prints. Whether you're creating intricate details or large-scale armor pieces, this printer ensures consistent results. With its TMC2208 ultra-silent driver and open-source motherboard, the LK5 Pro operates quietly while allowing users to experiment with customizations by modifying the G-code. The installation of BL Touch is supported, offering advanced leveling capabilities for even more precise prints. The 4.3-inch full-color touchscreen is a standout feature, replacing traditional knobs and dot matrix displays. The optimized UI interface provides easy operation and real-time printing information, surpassing the smaller screens in other printers. So if you want to purchase the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 4 is ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro 3D Printer. When selecting the ultimate 3D printer for crafting armor, the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro FDM 3D printer rises above the competition, showcasing its exceptional capabilities. With a market-leading printing size of 225x225x280 superscript 3, this printer effortlessly accommodates the needs of even the most demanding users, enabling the creation of intricate and sizable armor components with utmost precision. The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro sets itself apart with its cutting-edge features. Powered by an advanced STM32 motherboard, the printer employs silent stepper motors that ensure the whisper-quiet operation and unparalleled accuracy during printing. With noise levels as low as 47 to 48 dB, it provides a serene environment conducive to creativity and productivity. Meticulously crafted from high-quality SUS 303 stainless steel and boasting a 3:1 reduction ratio, this extruder exerts formidable extrusion force, guaranteeing smooth filament feeding and unrivaled printing stability and precision. By eliminating nozzle clogging and under-extrusion issues commonly associated with Bowden extruders, the Neptune 3 Pro consistently delivers flawless printing results. Working with an efficient front close-fitting cooling fan, the expanded aluminum heat sink facilitates superior heat dissipation. It effectively reduces the throat pipe temperature, significantly minimizing the risk of nozzle clogging. If you are interested in the fantastic 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it. Number 5 is ANYCUBIC Photon Ultra Resin 3D Printer. In today's world, when it comes to creating armor, you need a 3D printer that combines precision, efficiency, and cost-effectiveness. The ANYCUBIC Photon Ultra Resin 3D Printer is a groundbreaking consumer DLP printer perfect for armor enthusiasts. With its advanced DLP projector technology, the Photon Ultra delivers unmatched beam uniformity, resulting in incredibly crisp and detailed 3D printing results. Unlike LCD screens, the Photon Ultra's light source system has a lifespan of over 20,000 hours, reducing the need for frequent replacements and significantly lowering maintenance costs. The Photon Ultra consumes minimal power with its rated power of only 12 W, and it operates silently thanks to its heat dissipation system that eliminates the need for cooling fans. This ensures a whisper-quiet printing environment, allowing you to focus on your creative process without distractions. Furthermore, the Photon Ultra boasts an impressive printing speed of up to 6 centimeters per hour, 3 times faster than its predecessor. This high-speed printing capability reduces waiting time and allows you to bring your armor designs to life in a fraction of the time. So if you want to buy the fast and reliable 3D printer, check out the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for armor. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching! And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.